Hi guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. Today we're gonna review a hand I played in a live poker tournament in Rozvadov during the WSOPE. This was a bracelet event. It was the €550 Colossus. And I was lucky enough to draw a table with Daniel Negreanu, and the hand we're going to review was versus him. When it comes to the tournament, I actually shot a lot of footage during that trip there, and so that's obviously coming, but this is going to be special for when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that, and let's jump into the hand. So this hand happened, well, it was probably like 3 or 4 hours into the tournament. The blinds were 200, 400 with 400 big blind ante. I had about 15k at the start of the hand, and I was on the big blind. So let's see what happened. There were 3 limpers, and Daniel made it 1100. There was 1 call from the button, and I also called from the big blind with king 4 of hearts. The limpers folded, and we saw a flop of queen 9 3 with 2 hearts. I checked. Daniel bet 1500, and the button folded. Pretty straightforward up to this point. And on the river, an ace fell. As you can see, there was already 8100 in the pot. I checked, and Daniel bet 3600. And at this moment, I thought for a little while, and I wanted to shove my king 4 of hearts, my flush draw, because the ace is a really good card for me. I could have easily called with a flush draw with an ace. I could have also called with, hand like ace 3 on the flop, ace 9. In general, the ace, I think I have a lot more aces in my range than he has. And also, I have a really good stack to shove. And even if he calls me with, a queen or an ace or a big hand, then I still have live cards. I mean, if I catch the flush, I'm gonna win the pot. So this was a really good spot to just shove it all in and hope that he doesn't call. And if he calls, then I still have some equity, right? So I thought for a while, and I decided not to shove. I guess I got a little overwhelmed because I was trying to count the pot and how much I have and whether he's gonna fold to my shove. Now that I look at the actual numbers and I know his hand, it looks like he probably would have folded, although I don't know that for sure. But regardless, this was, I think, a really good spot to shove this king 4 or fold at this point, because calling, I think, is really weak here. But I got overwhelmed, and I thought, let's call and see what I can do on the river. But I was already giving up on the hand. Like, I was gambling at this point. I wanted to catch the flush and shove, but otherwise, yeah. So I called the 3600. As you can see, there's 15k in the pot. A blank falls on the river, and I could also perhaps shove here. I mean, it would for sure be better than just check folding this hand, but yeah, I gave up on it. I checked, and Daniel checked as well, and he had Queen Jack. So yeah, that's the hand. I think I played it badly because, like I said, on the turn when ace falls, it's a pretty good spot to check raise all in with my stack, and with Daniel having 60k, he was playing, I think, a bit on the looser side, so he probably would have called my all in anyway, but maybe not. I don't know. That's obviously hard to predict, but what I should have done is shoved all on the turn, or at least if I called on the turn, then I should have had a plan to jam rivers. Well, maybe not a 6 of clubs river, but like if 10 or a jack or a king fell, then I should have been shoving this hand. But I already decided when I called this bet that I was gonna give up on the hand if I didn't catch the flush. So yeah, that's why I think I played it really badly. And yeah, that's the hand, guys. Thanks for watching, and like I said, there's a nice video coming from the whole Rozvadov trip. Probably I'll release it like in 2 weeks. I think we're gonna hit 1000 subscribers by then, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to watch more videos like this if you haven't already, and yeah, comment what you think of this hand, because I think I played it really badly. Yep. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.